So in today's session, we will cover credit bureau. So what is the credit bureau? Now every person in India is taking loan, right? Now, for the example, Ram has taken the loan from the AU Bank, and Ram either giving the repayment every month on time or he is not giving on the time. There are two scenarios, right? Okay. Now Ram goes to the another bank to SBI. How SBI will get to know that Ram has a good credit history? Okay, it's a repayment history. So for that, that's a big problem at that time. So what all the financial institute did, they combined together, and there's a company named TransUnion. So what they said, every month each financial institute will submit the data to the TransUnion. Based on that data, they will create a one report. That report is known as a bureau report. So now the Ram will go to the another bank, another NBFC. Within a few minutes, they will get the updated report of Ram based on his repayment. That is the credit bureau. Okay. So if I talk about in India, there are four major credit bureau. One is the TransUnion, second is Experian, third is the CRIF, and fourth is the Equifax. Okay. So if you go each of them website, you will get to know like what they are doing. Okay. So this is the TransUnion. So CIBIL is the name of the report. Company name is the TransUnion. Okay. So they have now each of them has a different way to judge a customer based on the data. Each of them provide a range of number like between -1 to the 900. The higher the customer has a number, that customer has a good credit history. Okay. So this is the first company named TransUnion. Second is the Experian. So if I click on it, again they are doing the same thing. Okay. You can note down the names and explore the website and whatever information they are providing. The third one is the CRIF. Okay. It's known as the CRIF high mark. And the fourth one is the Equifax. Each of them provide the credit report. Okay. Now, if I talk about the like which is commonly used by most of the NBFC and the banks, like CIBIL is the top one. Okay. The second is the CRIF and Equifax and Experian both are the third place. So it has been a long time. The CIBIL is a pioneer in the industry, so that's why everyone wants to go with the CIBIL. Okay. Come back to the topic. So why NBFC check bureau report before approving a loan? They can check existing loans, repayment behavior, outstanding balances, default, and the score. Okay. And the purpose is that like they can reduce the risk before giving a new loan of 20 lakh, 50 lakh rupees, they can check how the customer behavior. Okay. Avoid any fraud. If the customer is blacklisted by other organization, so they can be aware. And they can also improve the portfolio. It means like if the customer, I have the 10 customer apply for loan. Out of 10, 3 are having a good credit score. And rest the remaining one are not having the good credit score. So I will go with the three. Okay. We will also open a credit report, how it looks like. So in the report, what they provided, they provided a first the score from -1 to the 900. Okay. Second, they also provided basic information of the customer, like the name, address, phone number, and the key KYC information. On that basis, how the customer can be fined. The fourth thing, they also provide a brief information about the existing loans. Either it's a credit card, either it's a home loan, auto loan, but they don't disclose the name of the finance company. Okay. So we open one of the CIBIL report. Okay. It looks like that. So here I can see it was generated on 15th of May. This was the time. Okay. This is the member ID. Member ID means only financial institute like banks and BFC are allowed to get a CIBIL report of someone. Sinori being IT company or any other company cannot have a CIBIL report of yours. So when I log into the CIBIL portal, I must have my member ID. Okay. So this is my member ID. Okay. Now I can see the consumer information about borrower, name, DOB, and the PAN card which I provided. Okay. If I provide the Aadhaar card, they don't disclose here. Okay. And what is my address? So this is my address is written and my phone number. Okay. Now it shows me my score. So out of 900 is a 811. So that sounds good. Okay. Apart from this, what they provide here, they are providing the key summary. Total 41 accounts I have. It means like I have applied for the credit card, home loan, total 41 accounts I have there. What is my balance there? Sanction amount. These are the amount has been sanctioned to me, and current I am using this. Recent updated, old days, everything is there. Okay, the first my credit report was updated on 24th November 2005. That time I might have a took some. Okay. Now one by one. It also shows inquiries. Inquiry means like I apply to, let's say, credit card. Now, before they provide me some offer, they will first check my credit history. Based on that, they will provide me the offer. Okay, sir, we can give you 20 lakh rupee credit card, 50 lakh rupee credit card. Now it's choice of me that I want to go with that or not. So if I decline it, it will also count it as my inquiry because they hit my CIBIL. Okay. So this is consumer information. Again, something. Here I can see what are the my another identity cards available with CIBIL. What is my PAN card number, my Aadhaar card number, my CKYC number, anything. Then they provide me about my other phone numbers, which they already have, my other email addresses, which they already have, okay, and my all the addresses which has been I provided to them. Okay. Now here one by one they will tell me about my each of existing loans. So this is my consumer loan. If I disclose anything thing during that time, it will be shown here. Okay. So my another loan, this loan was started for the credit card. Member cannot be disclosed. It's my individual loan, and my limit was 5 lakh rupees. Highly, I have used 12,000 rupees of that. Current is the remaining amount. Okay. It also shows me the DPD. I hope Kansa has covered the DPD. Okay. So which month I am not able to pay on the time. So from last 12 months, I can see it here. So every month is zero. So I paid on the time. Okay. Another, this is my consumer loan. This was my amount sanction. Okay. This is a monthly repayment. Okay. I go one by one. This is my DPD. Third loan. This is my housing loan. Okay. That is the cost of 2 crore rupees. This is my remaining amount. This is my EMI. This is monthly EMI. And this is my joint. So I'm not alone in that loan. Okay. Again, what is the DPD of the same? Another consumer account. This is a credit card. Okay. Go one by one. Another credit card. Credit card. One more housing loan of 43 lakh rupees. Okay. So this is a civil report. Based on that, the credit manager who's approving the new loan can judge the customer, cross check why did you take the loan, where is your home available, I can visit or not, right? Similar way, there's another bureau that is the CRIF. Its report look like this. Okay. Again, so here my score is 855, the same customer. Okay, so it cannot be same like if the CIBIL has a 811, it has a 811, it can be 855 for it below also as well. So my account summaries are here. Again, I can see the same loans here. All my addresses, everything is there. So when I open any loan in the CIBIL report, each of them has some tagging. If it's active, it means the loan is running. It is closed, loan fully repaid, settled, loan closed for lower amount. Means like I wanted my remaining amount of 2 lakh rupees. Both the party, me and the finance company, sat together and decided let's close for 1 lakh rupees because I am not able to pay. Okay. Written off, the NBFC has marked this loan as a loss because I was not reachable. Okay. And suit filled, it means like I denied to pay and they have to put the legal action. Either they will sell my property or whatever they want to. Okay. Now, score range. So the 750 plus, it's known as excellent. 700 to 750, it's good. 650 to 700, average, and below 650, it's risky. Okay. Again, DPD, every month I can see the DPD of 0, it means on time. If it's a 30, 60, 90 plus, I can get the idea. Some CIBIL report will also have a -1. So what the mean of the -1? It means the customer has no credit history available. Okay. So it means customer never took a loan. So like most of your I think you haven't taken any loan, right? So whenever you will apply for loan, your credit will be checked. So it will get the -1. There's another term is used, NTC, new to CIBIL. It means the customer recently entered the credit ecosystem but has a limited history available. It means like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, customer only came to CIBIL. -1 never applied. NTC 2 months ago, 3 months ago, recently joined the CIBIL. Okay. So I have here mentioned the parameter. Credit history exists in the -1, no. But in the NTC, yes. Okay. Now each NBFC, financial institute, banks has a responsibility to submit each of their borrower information to bureau every month. So recently it is reduced to every 15 days, and recently a new rule has also come for a weekly. So every week they have to submit the report. So what they need to submit? So there's a single report that can be used for a CIBIL, Experian, CRIF, and Equifax. They need to provide the name, DOB, phone number, and loan data, loan information, the 10-year remaining amount, the repayment data, everything. Okay. Use case of bureau report. So now we had already seen there are a lot of data available in the CIBIL report. Based on that, I can create some parameter. What parameter I can create? If the customer is below 650, I will not give the loan. If the customer having a two gold loans, I will prefer the loan if the customer is having a below 650. If customer is having a, like you can say, a consumer loan or credit card loan, I might will not give the loan. So I based on that I can create the parameters. Okay. So this was a quick session on the credit bureau.